Guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor from taylorandbabyz, and today we're going through the linen closet. I'm cleaning, decluttering, and packing up. If you haven't heard what's going on for the beginning of next year, I'll link my laundry chat up above. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please hit that red button down below. So let's get started.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun.
I'm hot. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I have a question. Would you rather me talk during my videos, like my clean with me's and my declutters with me's? Or do you like me just putting music over it and then showing you everything at the end, not really talking about it, just kind of showing you this is what's getting out of here? Or do you like me to like explain why I got rid of stuff, or like say how many items I got rid of? I'm trying to figure out what you guys want to see. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
The moon is bright, let's have some